Hello guys, you are watching official YouTube channel of Shiva Learning. You all can also visit us on www.shivalearning.in for more details, or simply you can download our Android apps to get the latest update about the counseling etc. Okay. So this is the video about list of colleges across India which are self-financing college. Okay, so your exams in happen on 13, and now the students and parents are started to search for the colleges according to their budget and according to their expected marks which they match with the answer key. Okay, so I got many calls from the students. We are looking for the colleges. We have this much marks and we have this much budget. Okay. So we are going to include all the states across India and all the colleges in all the states which are private. I mean to say self-financing colleges, not the deemed university. For the deemed university, we will make the separate video in that you can see. Okay. So let's see what are the colleges and what is the fees structure, what is the marks required for the colleges. So we are going to start from the Karnataka regions because the Karnataka is the most demanded place in India, okay, where the students want to take admissions either from the North Indian students or the South Indian students. Mostly students they used to prefer study in the Bangalore regions, okay. So if you are the outsider, if you are from outside, not from the Karnataka domicile, then your marks required is approximately 500 plus. If you have the score of 500 plus, you can easily get college in Karnataka with a fees of 8 lakhs per annum. How much? 8 lakhs 500. This is for outsider. Okay. Those who are not the domicile of Karnataka, 500 plus. Suppose if any students who are from the Karnataka domicile, if any students who are from the Karnataka domicile, and if they have the score of 460 or 470 plus, then they can study in same private college with a budget of how much? 1.2 lakhs per annum. And suppose if they have a score of 300, 320, 340, 400, then they can study in same private college with 8 lakhs per annum. So 1.2 lakhs per annum means state quota seat, state quota reserve seat. Okay. And 8 lakhs per annum means management seat, which is applicable for all the students, either the domicile or non-domicile students. Okay. And now I want to tell how to do the counseling. How to do the counseling. For the counseling of the Karnataka, you have to visit the KEA. Okay, you have to visit KEA website, and from there you can do the registration and you can apply for the counseling. This is the state counseling. Okay, so what are the colleges? These are the colleges like Adi Chunchagiri. Okay, Adi Chunchagiri, Baseswara, BGS Global, B.R. Ambedkar, JJM, KVG, Kempegowda, MS Ramaiah, Navodaya, Raja Rajeshwari. Just, uh, just let me tell you, Raja Rajeshwari is now the deemed university. In 2019, it is declared as the deemed university. Okay, so just remove this college. If you're talking about other colleges, Saptagiri, Srinivas, Vaidehi, STM, Father Muller, St. John's, and East Point, Akas, Kanachur, Madhappa, Nijlingappa, SAS, Sridevi, ALMN, Khwajaban Nawaz, and you have Subhaiya, Oxford, AJ, MVJ, and Shambaram. Okay, so these are the colleges you have. Okay, and now let's see for the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, what are the colleges in UP? So in UP we have three types of colleges. 4 to 5 colleges are there which have the fees of 8.5 lakhs per annum. 6 to 7 colleges are there which have the fees of 11.3 lakhs per annum. 2 3 colleges are there which have the fees of 10.5 lakhs per annum, and remaining 5 colleges which are the minority college, they have the fees of 14 plus lakhs per annum. How to do the counseling of Uttar Pradesh? You just have to visit UP NEET. Okay, you just have to search in Google UP NEET or UP DGME. From there you can do your registration and you can do your counseling and apply for the medical seat. Okay, so let's see the colleges. We have Subharti Medical College with a fees of, we have Swarthi Medical College with fees of 8.3 lakhs per annum. Let me tell, in UP, all the colleges have the same hostel fees, which is 1.5 lakhs per annum plus 80,000 space. So this whatever things I'm going to tell, this is only fees. This is not included the hostel fees. Hostel fees is not included in this. Okay, so be careful. Now, other is Hind Institute of Medical Science, Barabanki, having the fees of 11.3 lakhs. Sri Ram Murthy, which is shortly called as SRM Bareilly, 11.44 lakhs per annum. Rohil Khan Bareilly, which is 10.8 lakhs per annum. Rama Medical College, Kanpur, 11.35, and Tirthankar Mahavir Medical College Research Center, 16.2 lakh. This is the minority college. I mentioned here also this is a minority college. Okay. So be careful what is the minority college, which is non-minority college. Okay. Now, School of Medical Science in Sarda University, the fees is 11.5, and Career Institute of Medical Science, this is also minority college. The fees is 14.05 lakhs. Rama Medical College, Hapur, 11.3, and Mayo Institute of Medical Science, Barabanki. This is fees is only 10.6 lakh per annum plus 3 lakhs security money plus 1.5 lakhs hostel. So this is the 14.5 whatever I mentioned. It is including the fees, security money plus hostel. This is fees for the total budget of first year. Okay, so be careful here. Integral Institute of Medical Science, Lucknow, the fees is 14.05. This is also the minority college. Okay, this is also minority college. Now, if you're talking about other medical colleges like FS Medical College, Agra, this is also minority college, 14.05. Heritage Institute of Medical Science, Varanasi, 10.31. Hind Institute of Medical Science, Sitapur, this is the other branch of Hind Institute of Medical Science, Barabanki, 9.88. And KD Medical College, Mathura, 11.45. Prasad Institute of Medical Science, Lucknow, 8.5. Saraswati Medical College, Unnao, 11.35. GS Medical College, Hapur, 11.3. Muzaffarnagar Medical College, Muzaffarpur, this is 10.59, and then you have Saraswati Medical College, Hapur, 11.05, and now you have Rajshri Medical College, Bareilly, 11.3. Rajshri Medical College, Bareilly, 11.3, and Krishna Mohan Medical College, Mathura, 8.5. TSM Misra, 11.3. ERA Medical College, 16.6. Okay, so ERA is also very good college either for the UG or PG, but the fees is very high. Okay. So now let's see about the other colleges of other state. Okay, if you are talking about the Rajasthan, then the Rajasthan, all the private colleges, total there is 8 private colleges, and all the private colleges have the very high fees. Minimum fees in Rajasthan is 13.2 lakhs per annum. Okay, if you are talking about the marks requirement, then it is 200, 180, 250, 300. Okay, for because the fees is higher. Okay, so if you're talking about Geetanjali, the fees is 17 lakhs. Jaipur National University, Jaipur, NIMS 19.5, NIMS Jaipur 17 Pacific Medical College Hospital, Udaipur 18.5, Ananta 13.2, American 13.2, Mahatma Gandhi 15. So these are the colleges and details about the Rajasthan's. Okay, score, what I told about the score, there is no any fixed score for this state because the fees is higher. So if your score is low, you can also opt for these colleges. If you're talking about the Maharashtra, then Maharashtra, all the colleges having the fees of 7 to 14 lakhs per annum. So all the colleges except Vedanta have the fees of 7 to 9 lakhs per annum only. Okay. If you're talking about the score 400 for the general and OBC, which have fees of 7 to 9 lakhs per annum, and 150 plus, which have fees of 10 plus lakh. Yani if you're going to take admissions in Vedanta Medical College, then 150 score is okay. Okay, because the fees is 14 lakhs per annum. Okay, and if you are SC, ST, OBC, and other sorry, not OBC, SC, ST, and the VJNT, ATC, then your score 241 is okay if you want to get admitted in the private college with a fees of 7 to 9 lakhs per annum. Okay. So let's see about the colleges. I mean to say what are the colleges in Maharashtra. You can see the colleges details are like Vasant Pawar, SMT Kashibai Navale. These are the with the fees is also given. And Padmasuri Vestal Rao, Terna Medical College, and KP Solve, Maharashtra Institute of Medicine. These are the fees structure for all 5 years. Don't think this is 1 year. Okay. Maharashtra Institute of Medical Science, Pune, KJ Somaiya, and Punjab Rao. Okay. Indian Institute of Medical Science, Research Jalna. Okay. SMBT, now let's see the other colleges like SMBT Nashik, Prakash Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, BK, Vedantu, the fees is very high, score is not that much needed. 150, 200, 250 marks is okay for this college. Astoni Rural Medical College and Hospital, 38, Ullas Patil, ACPM Dhule, Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Vidyagiri, Satara, Dr. Vittal Rao, 41. Okay. So this is the details of Maharashtra with the colleges. Okay. Marks required, I already told you here. Now let's see for the other state. Other state, if you are talking about Tamil Nadu. Okay. So if you're talking about Tamil Nadu, then fees for the government quota share. The students who are the domicile of Tamil Nadu, and if they have the good marks, then they can study in approximately 4 lakhs per annum in all the private colleges. Okay. And let me tell that the Tamil Nadu is also open state, so any other state students can apply in Tamil Nadu for the counseling. Okay. For the general quota students, the fees is 10 lakhs per annum. For all other non-domicile students also, the cutoff required is 300 plus. Okay, and 421 for the general and OBC and all other category 357 plus. So these are the details for Tamil Nadu. If you are talking about the colleges in Tamil Nadu, then we have ESIC Medical College, Tagore Medical College, Karpakam, PhD, Karpaga, Malavalam, and you have Sri Mokambakai, and Pelamal, Dhanlakshmi, Trichy SRM, Rajamuthiya. So these are the colleges are there. Okay, all the colleges, how much fees? 10 lakhs for the management plus 1 lakh for hostel. This is fees for the management quota students, and the students who are domiciled, they have 4 lakhs per annum if they have good score. Okay. So these are the details for the Tamil Nadu. If you are talking about the Kerala, now the Kerala is also the most demanded state in India because of lower fees. Okay. So in Kerala, if you are the students of other states, and if you want to apply in Kerala, then keep your score 500 plus. If you want to get seat in Kerala with a fees of 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum, then keep your score 500 plus. And if you're the domicile of Kerala, then keep your score 447 plus. Okay, for general and OBC. For all other category, it is 366 plus for the domicile students. Now let's see what is the colleges details. Okay, if we are talking about the colleges details, then we have KMCT. We have KMCT, Puspagiri, Amla, Jubilee, Malankara, SUT, Mount Zion, and Travancore Medical College, PK Das, DM Adulam, Sri Narayana, SR, Believers, Dr. Somerville, Malabar, and HJR Medical College, Sri Gokulam Colony, Kanur Medical College, MES Medical College, and you have Karuna and Academy of Medical Science, Priyaram. So these are the colleges in Kerala. Okay. So, what are the fees? Fees is only 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum. For other state student, the marks required is 500 plus, and for the domicile student, marks required is 447 plus. Okay. So these are the details of the Kerala. How to apply in Kerala? Just you have to visit the KEEM. I think already many students are applied, but they will open the window again for the after the results for the registration CTC. Now let's see for the Telangana. Okay. This is also open state, so other states students can apply in Telangana. Okay, so there is a three types of seats. First is A category with a fees of one or under 1 lakhs per annum. For B category, the fees is 11 lakhs per annum. For C category, the fees is 20 lakhs per annum. Okay, for all the non-domiciled students, for the B category seat is 11 lakhs per annum, and your marks required is 321 plus. And for A category 483 plus, which is applicable for the domicile students only. For B category domicile students 247 plus. For B category non-domicile students 321 plus. For C category 20 lakhs per annum 140 plus. Okay. So these are the details for the Telangana regions. How to apply? You have to visit their official website of Telangana, and then you can register there. So these are the colleges in Telangana: Mahatma Medical College, Kamnaini, BS, Chalmela, Pratima, Medicity, MNR, Bhaskar, Apollo, RVM, Kamnaini, Maheshwara, Deccan, Sadan, VRK, Ayan. There are most of the colleges which are minority college, and mostly are the Muslim minority college in Telangana. Okay. Now let's see for the Andhra Pradesh NEET counseling. If you are talking about Andhra Pradesh, okay. So Andhra Pradesh, there is also three types of SACE. First one is the A category, second one is the B category, third one is the C category. So all the A category, the fees will be under 1 lakhs, and the marks required is 467 plus. For B category, the fees is 13 lakhs per annum, marks required is 230 plus. And for C category, marks is 140 plus, fees required is 20 lakhs per annum. For non-domicile, fees is 13 lakhs per annum, and the cutoff is 287 plus. So these are the details for the non-domicile students with the marks required is 287 plus, and the fees is 13 lakhs per annum. Okay. Let's see what are the colleges list of the private medical colleges in Andhra. Already see here the Alluri Sitaram Raju Academy of Medical Science Siluri, and now you have the Katturi Medical College and Pinamini Siddhartha Medical College, SL Medical College, NRI Medical Science Consuma Great Eastern Maharaja, NRI Gayatri Nimraj Narayana PES Shanti Ram Vishwabharati Fatima RVS Apollo and Shri Padmavati. So these are the colleges in Andhra. Okay. So most of the major students are going to take admission with 13 lakhs per annum because the B category is only majority. Okay. For A category, your marks should be good and you will get seat under 1 lakhs per annum in the same private college. Okay. Now let's see about the Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So in the Madhya Pradesh, all the colleges having the fees of 8 to 11 lakhs per annum. And the domicile students need marks of 444 plus for the general and OBC. For all other category, it is 297. For non-domicile students, marks required is 490 plus. If you want to get seat in MP with the fees of 8 to 11 lakhs per annum, maximum college have the fees of only 8 lakhs per annum. Okay. So these are the details of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So let's see what are the colleges in MP. MP, if you are talking, then we have People's College of Medical Science, Bhopal, Sri Aurobindo, D. Gadi, Ellen Gadi, Index Medical College, Ellen Gadi, Bhopal, Amalta, and Chirayu. These are the colleges which is in Madhya Pradesh, having the fees of 8 to 9 lakhs per annum, except Aurobindo having little bit higher fees, 10.5. Okay, so these are the details of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now let's see about the Bihar. Okay. So Bihar, the only we have three colleges. All the colleges having the fees range from the 8 to 10.5 lakhs per annum. How much? 8 to 10.5 lakhs per annum. The cutoff marks required for the domicile is 380 plus. For non-domicile is 400 plus. Okay. For all other category who are the domicile to 60 plus for the SC, ST, etc. List of private medical Mata Gujri, Lord Buddha, Narayana and KMC Katihar. So these are the colleges in Bihar with their marks and fees. Now let's see about the West Bengal. Yes, now let's see about the West Bengal. So for West Bengal, the students who have good marks, they can study with the 4 lakhs per annum in the government quota seat. Okay, 4 lakhs per annum. And marks required is approximately 500 plus for the general and OBC. For all other category, 390 plus. If you want to study in 4 lakhs per annum. And for the management quota, the marks required is approximately 150 or 200 plus. Fees for the management quota is 11 lakhs per annum. Including hostel, it will go around approximately 13 lakhs per annum. Okay. So this is applicable for all the students who are the non-domicile and who are the domicile. Also, those who have very bad scores like 200, 250, they can also sit in West. They can also get seat in West Bengal with that budget. Okay. Now let's see about the list of the colleges. Okay. So first one we have KPC, iCare, IQ City, Gauri Devi, Jagannath Gupta, Ramakrishna. So these are the colleges in West Bengals. Okay. Now let's see about Haryana. Okay, Haryana we have only three colleges, and all the colleges having the average fees of 11 lakhs per annum, and the marks required is 300 plus. Okay, so these are the colleges we have: Sri Guru Gobind Singh, Adesh, and SGT University. SGT having the fees of 13 lakhs per annum. Okay, now let's see about the Punjab. If you're talking about the Punjab, then Punjab is a state where only few medical colleges are there. The fees is 8 to 10 lakhs per annum except CMC Ludhiana and DMC Ludhiana. The cutoff required is 366 plus, and all religions except the Christian for CMC Ludhiana. Okay. So these are the colleges: the DMC Ludhiana, Christian Medical College Ludhiana, Punjab Mission of Medical Science, Sri Guru Ram Adesh Sitapuri, and Sri Guru Ram Das University. So these are the colleges. What is the fees you have to pay for DMC? The total fees will come 35 lakhs. For CMC, the total fees will come 25 lakhs. For others, the total fees will come approximately 48 lakhs. So others is having very high fees in Punjab. Remaining all the colleges having the very less fees. Okay. Now let's see about the Uttarakhand NEET counseling. Uttarakhand also have the two colleges. Okay. So those who are the domicile students, okay, they have to get 490 plus score if they want to study in 10 lakhs per annum. Fees for the management quota is 15 lakhs per annum and 400 for all state students. 400 plus, suppose if you want to apply in Uttarakhand and you belong from the other state, then your score should be 400 plus. Okay. And what are the colleges? Sri Guru Ram Rai and Himalayan Institute of Medical Science. These are the colleges. Okay. So now let's see about the Chhattisgarh. Okay. So Chhattisgarh we have three colleges: Raipur Institute of Medical Science, Chandulal Chandrakar, and Sankrachar. All having the same budget 40, 40, 40. Okay. Himachal Pradesh. If you are talking about the Himachal Pradesh, okay. Himachal Pradesh we have only one college which is MME Solan. The budget is 40 lakhs. Okay. Now, if you're talking about the Odisha, we have only one medical college which is self-financing, which is high-tech medical college. The budget is 40 lakhs. Okay. Now, let's see about the Gujarat. Okay. So, in Gujarat, there are approximately 15 colleges are there, 15 to 16, and all colleges having the fees approximately 7 lakhs. Okay, 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. Few have the fees of 10 plus lakh. So we have GMR's Medical College Shola, Ahmedabad, GMR Vadodara, GMR Gandhinagar, GMR Medical College Dharpur Patan, GMR Valsad, and Junagadh, Himmatnagar, Vadnagar, Ahmedabad, okay. And you have Surat Municipal and the Pramukhi Swami, Shiyusha, Surendranagar, Gujarat Adani Medical Science Bhuj, GCS Ahmedabad, okay. Parul Institute of Medical Science Vadodara and Banas Medical College Center Palanpur, Jadis Medical College, Dawat, and ND Desai Faculty of Medical Science, Nutan, Santabai, and MK Shah Medical College. Total 3350 seats are there. Okay. So these are the colleges in Gujarat. And if you're talking about the marks requirement, the marks required is 300 plus. How much? 300 plus means 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. Below, if you're going below, then you have to pay approximately 12 lakhs per annum. Okay. So these are the details of Gujarat. Now let's see deemed university also. I'm going to include the deemed university in this also because the deemed university, many students want to prefer the deemed university because the deemed university is the autonomous college and they have good reputations also. So minimum fees structure is 11 lakh and maximum is 26 lakh per annum in the deemed university, private deemed medical colleges of India, and score needed is 150 to 510. Okay. And if you're talking about the colleges, okay, so let me tell some top colleges across India. The top colleges is like Manipal, both the branches, Amrita Kochi, Sri Ramachandra Institute of Medical Science, JSS Mysuru, KIMS Bhubaneswar, Sham Bhubaneswar, Bharati Vidyapith, Pune. These are the some top deemed universities in India for the medical education. Okay. Let's see what are the colleges, what is the marks required for these colleges. So first, if you are talking about Sri Siddhartha Academy TBQ, 11.15, 170 plus. Why this marks is 171 plus? Because this is the new college and opened last year. Hamdard Institute of Medical Science, the fees is 12 lakhs and 454 plus. Rural Medical College, PIMS Loni, 12.75, 446 plus. KIMS Manipal, 13.1, 493 plus. KIMS Mangalore, 13.1, 467 plus. So these are the details for the deemed university. Now, if you're talking about the KS Hegde Medical College, Karnataka, 14.3, 446 plus, SDU Medical College, Kolar, Karnataka, 14.5, 450 plus, JSS Medical College, Jagatguru, 14.7, 380 plus, MM Institute of Medical Science, Haryana, 15, 478 plus, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgavi, 15.2, 460 plus, and Sri Siddhartha Medical College, DU, Tumkur, Karnataka, 15.65, 200 plus. Now you are thinking why this college have 200 marks, because this college have not good reputations. Okay, so this is marks requirement is only 200 plus. Okay, now we have other colleges like SBKS Medical College 15.95, 436 plus, Kalinga Institute of Medical Science 16 lakhs 400 plus, Yenepoya Medical College Karnataka 16 lakhs 400 plus, BLD Bijapur 17 lakhs 350 plus, Institute of Medical Science Bhubaneswar 17.9350 plus, Amrita Institute of Medical Science Kochi 18 lakhs 380 plus, Sri Satya Sai Medical College 18 lakhs 250 plus, and Vinayaka Medical College 18 lakhs 250 plus. Okay, and now you have GLN Medical College Datta Megewardha 18.5300 plus, and Geeta Mishra Medical Science Visakhapatnam 18.87 to 80 plus, BVD Deemed University Sangli Maharashtra 19.3260 plus, Keshtasura Medical Science Karad Maharashtra 19.5300 plus, Arupadai Vedu Medical College Pondicherry 19.5240 plus, MGM Medical College Aurangabad 2 approximate your total fees is 20 lakhs per annum, 300 plus marks required. MGM Navi Mumbai is also 20 lakhs, VMKV is also 20 lakhs, MGM Sri Bala 20 lakhs, BVT Pune Maharashtra 20.27 lakhs, marks is 300 plus 230 plus 220 plus 280 plus. Okay, so these are the details. Now let's see about the Dr. D.Y. Patil Education and Society. Your fees is 20.6 to 80 plus, and Lakshmi Narayan 21.5 to 20 plus, Dr. D.Y. Patil Pune Maharashtra 22 lakhs to 50 plus, and Chettinad Hospital and Research Center Kanchipuram 22 lakhs to 40 plus, Sri Ramachandra Medical College Chennai 22 lakhs 300 plus, and Savita Medical College Chennai 22 lakhs to 80 plus, Meenakshi Medical College Chennai 22.5 to 100 plus. These all are the fees for 1 year. Okay, so just remind that the deemed university have the higher fees. Okay, now we have the Ramachandra Medical College Chennai. Okay, the fees is 22 lakhs per annum. Okay, your fees is 22 lakhs per annum. Sorry, Ramachandra fees is 22 lakhs per annum, marks required is 300 plus, and Savita Medical College Chennai Tamil Nadu 22 lakhs 280 plus, Meenakshi Medical College 22.5 200 plus, SRM Medical College Chennai Tamil Nadu 22.5 to 50 plus, Raja Rajeshwari Medical College the fees is 23 lakhs 200 plus, ACS Medical College Chennai fees is 23 lakhs 200 plus, Santosh Medical College Ghaziabad UP 24 lakhs 190 plus, and Sri Balaji Medical College 24.75 190 plus. These are the marks required. Okay, DY Patil Medical College Navy, the fees is 25.75, approximately 26 lakh 190 plus. Okay, so these are the details of deemed university also. So I explain in this video all the colleges, all the private medical colleges and all the deemed medical colleges across India, but only for the students who are going to take the private seat. This video not for the students who are going to opt for the government colleges. Okay. So thank you for watching and hope for your best future. If any doubt or queries, okay, don't hesitate to call us. Sure, we will help you.